From roadside quick fixes to professional vulcanization workshops, tire repair evolves differently in every country. Today we uncover how China's Sewn-Stop tire repair technology diverges from overseas repair traditions. All quotations cited are on-site original price lists and formal service receipts, without subjective estimation or exaggerated adjustment. 4 mainstream tire fixing solutions are included in this cross-regional comparison. Temporary external plug repair costs $1 to $4 in Chinese local workshops. The widely used standard internal cold patch ranges from $2.8 to $11 High stability mushroom patch suitable for long distance highway driving is marked $7 to $6.8 and hot vulcanization maintenance for run flat tires tops out at $25. Supplementary wheel balancing service adds an extra charge of $2.8 to $4. Every listed price raw repair materials and full labor cost with no hidden surcharges. For identical mushroom patch service, independent tire garages in the United States charge $20 to $45. Service providers in the United Kingdom quote $18 to $36, while mainstream European auto centers set prices between 30 and 80 euros. The prominent price disparity mainly stems from vastly different hourly labor rates for certified automotive technicians in different regions. Labor expense occupies over 70% of the total repair bill in Western markets, while domestic Chinese service shops maintain relatively low operation and manpower overhead. Statistical collation shows the same standard tire patching service costs 5 to 10 times higher at Western auto shops compared with community tire stores in China. Viewers can submit official local tire repair quotations of their cities and countries in the comment zone to enrich the global auto service cost database recorded by this program. Follow our channel for subsequent cross-border research footage covering oil replacement, wheel alignment and braking system maintenance price comparison.